Bougainville went through a 10-year crisis of a war, and some of the new generations that have now come out have have never been able to experience some of those traditional songs and music that have been part of their community, pretty much their village. There's always been a system here in place, and the music is part of the culture of Bougainville. We build a new house, there's a song for it. When we build a new canoe, there's a song for it. If there's a feast, there's a song for it. If someone dies, there's a song for it. We make a new garden, there's a song for it. Everything connects to song and dance. The old people have still got their songs, they've got their dances. There's amazing songs that have slowly been forgotten by the new generation. Nobody bothers to learn from the old people to continue that culture. Bougainville, as this amazing artist that we're able to create that pathway for them to be able to bring their songs or their music out into the open world. It's great to take our culture to them using that platform that Want of Music has set up for a lot of artists in the Pacific now, including Bougainville. Bougainville is a family, and so when one of us becomes something, everybody else gets excited about it. They look to you as a role model, somebody that the young children or young ones can look at it and go, hey, I could maybe I could do this, but do what Danny's doing. If he can do that, then maybe I can do it. Dave, I think he's the first one of my international career that he's actually opened the door for me to be able to come out with him and to tour with him and George Stelek and Pius Wasi. To this day, he's sitting right here, still working with Dave. There's more yet to go yet, plenty. Growing old gracefully together.